Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's section, we are going to see how to use GotoIfTime application in Asterisk Dialplan context. GotoIfTime application is very identical to GotoIf application. The difference is that allow you to jump to another extension, context, or priority if the current time matches the specified one. At first, I am check the OS version. I am using Ubuntu 22.04 version. I am already installed Asterisk on my Ubuntu machine. Now I am going to check the status of the Asterisk. Asterisk status is active and running. Now I am going to show how to use GotoIfTime application on Asterisk Dialplan context. For that I move to the directory. Now I am going to edit extension.conf file to modify Dialplan. I am already having the basic Dialplan context. Now I am going to use GotoIfTime application. In first priority I am using no OP application just for show the message. In second priority I am using GotoIfTime application. First column used for times. I am entered here 082 0830. In second column used for weekdays. I am entered here Monday to Friday. In third column using for month days. I am using 1 to 31. Fourth column used for month. I am using Jan to December. Next we are using time zone. We are using Asia. After that I am using question mark symbol for if the rule is exist, it goes to true, otherwise it go to false. Here I am using label. Next line I am using priority with labels open. It will play back a music. We are entered here. I'm just using hello. In next priority I'm using close label that are going to hang up the call. This is the basic GotoIf application dial plan context. I'm just save the file and exit. Now I'm going to log into the Asterisk CLI mode. Now I'm reload the dial plan context by using the following command. Dial plan successfully reloaded. Now I'm going to connect the call using microchip. The condition is false, so it go to hang up. Now I'm going to show if the condition is true, then what will happen. Now exit from the Asterisk CLI mode. I'm changing the time here. Save the file and exit. Now again log into the Asterisk CLI mode. Reload the dial plan. Now again call. Now the condition is true. It go to playback application. Open priority label. It says hello. This is the procedure to use GotoIf time application and Asterisk dial plan context.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.